The man pulled out a vial and, without hesitation, injected it straight into the artery in his neck. Within seconds, his body began to morph. The insect DNA embedded deep inside him was activated, triggering a violent transformation. He was no longer just human. Fused with the traits of a ground beetle, his new form could emit intense heat, essentially turning his body into a walking flamethrower. At the same time, another mutation was quietly brewing, this one far more alien. Centuries ago, scientists launched a terraforming program on Mars, sending engineered moss and cockroaches to the red planet in hopes of preparing it for future colonization. After 500 years, the plan worked. Mars had become livable. But the cockroaches? They didn't just adapt, they evolved. Now, these Martian roaches stand over 6 feet tall, with terrifying muscular builds and unsettling hints of intelligence. The first expedition team that set foot on Mars wasn't ready. They thought they were here to get rich. Instead, they got slaughtered. One of them had his neck snapped in an instant by a humanoid roach. Chaos broke out. The rest of the team scattered, unable to regroup or fight back. Jack watched helplessly as his lover was killed right before his eyes. Overcome with rage, he reached for his mutation injector, ready to transform and strike back. But just before he could plunge the needle in, a teammate held him back because, for some strange reason, the cockroach creatures were retreating. Eventually, the survivors regrouped aboard the ship. Some wanted to abort the mission and return to Earth immediately, but Command's response was crystal clear: the mission takes priority.